Okay, the next thing we're going to look at are triangle similarity theorems. Again, like I said, similarity and congruence were very related to one another. So just like with triangle congruency theorems, you have triangle similarity theorems. Now, congruency theorems told us triangles were congruent. Similarity theorems are going to say, hey, triangles are similar. Okay. And again, I'm going to take the same thought process for congruency theorem. So we have SSS, which is side, side, side. Remember, with congruency theorems, we multiplied all of these by 2, essentially. All right. So we'll know a total of 6 sides. We won't know any angles. Over here, SAS, side angle side. Where our known angle is in between the sides. Again, here, we know a total of 4 sides. And we know 2 angles. Last but not least, we have AA, which is angle, angle. And we have we don't know any sides, and we know 4 angles. Okay. Let's go do a couple of examples. All right. So here, if triangles are touching, right, at a point, we know the angles are the same. Okay, remember, then we take what we know about the sides. So I have 16 and 16. They're the same, so I'm going to color both of these green. So they must go with 40 and 39 because those are the only 2 I know about. So I know I have a congruent angle, or I know a total of 4 sides, and I know 2 angles. So again, side, 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 angle, side, angle, angle. I only know 2 angles, so I don't know, I don't know 4 angles. I don't know all 6 sides. So if it's similar, it must be by side, angle, side. Remember though, set up your ratios. So 40 to 16 is equal to, and then I get 39 to 16. Simplify if possible. 20 to 8, 10 to 4, divide by 2 again, which is 5 to 2. 39 over 16 is simplified, and these are not equal. So triangle UTS is not similar to we'll just call it any of the other triangle. The only way it will be possible is if this side 39 and this side of 40 was the same, right? Because we know our given sides are equivalent. So we did one where they were touching. We'll do one where they're not touching. Okay, again, what do I know? I know 6 sides. So side, 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 angle, angle, or not similar. No, it can't be angle, angle. Can't be side, angle, side. So if it's anything, it must be side, side, side. C to B is a short. B to A is the medium. So if it's going to be anything, it's got to be short to medium. So 8 is my short side to my medium to my large. F to G to H. Now, is this true? The only way I know that is by, again, setting up my proportions. So if I take my 2 small sides, so 48 to 8 is 6. my medium side, 72 to 12, I get 6. And then my large side, which was 84 to 14, and I also get 6. So 6, 6, 6 are all the same. So these triangles are similar. Oh, and scale factor was 6 or 1/6, depending on which triangle you go to. I'm going to talk about number 6 here really quick. It's not extremely difficult, right? What makes it difficult is the way these numbers are represented. Just separate them. Okay? So I have a triangle that looks like this, where this is 44. I don't know this and I don't know that side. And I have a bigger triangle that I know this is 121, this is 88, this is 143. Okay. Here, right, we go back to our addition postulates. If this entire side is 143 and here to here is 91 of it, my remaining side must be 52. All right, and the only way I do that is I just subtract the total from my known. And that gives me my remaining. Well, remaining is like what I was looking for here. Like this over here. My long side, FD, is 88. My short piece is 56, which means my remaining must be 32. Even though it doesn't look like it, because I would say like this here looks bigger than this. That's where you'll see not to scale a lot on pictures on your exams or your tests. All right. And now I know 6 sides. So it's either going to be side, 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 angle, angle for similarity. I don't know any angles, so it can't be the bottom 2. The only other option is not similar. Well, your small side, which is 32, to your small side and your big. So 88 to 32. It's 44 to 16. It's 22 to 8. It's 11 to 4. Right, then my medium proportion. So 121 and 44. Divide both sides by 11. It gives me 11 over 4. 11 over 4 and 11 over 4 are the same, so that forces me to do 143 over 52. 13. If I divide both of these by 13, I get 11 over 4. And because all 3 side proportions were 11 over 4, my scale factor is 11 over 4, or the opposite, depending on how you read it. F to E was the long side, or the large. D was medium, so long to medium. F to R to S. All right. For your classwork, just take and go and do the remaining examples.